How to redeem Binance gift cards. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Binance on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. After you click on three lines, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Rewards Hub. In the Rewards Hub, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on My Vouchers in here. After you've clicked on it, click on Voucher Code at the top right corner of your screen. And here you'll need to add code. If you don't have the code, open any browser and search Binance promo code. Open any of the website. Then click on Get Code and copy the code. After you have copied the code, open Binance app again and paste the code in here. Then press on Claim Voucher and you'll be able to redeem this card. This is how to redeem Binance Gift Card. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.